And welcome back to the Halftime Report. I'm Bob Pisani. Time now for ETF Edge. Markets are at new highs yet again, but the new money for 2020, it's not evenly distributed. What do I mean by that? Let's talk to two people who know. Tom Lydon, the CEO of ETF Trends, Steve Grasso, Director of Institutional Sales at Stuart Frankel here at the NYSE. Tom, let's break this down. A few trends stick out to me. Inflows into growth and emerging markets, outflows from gold funds, precious metal, for example, more than $530 million in outflows just in 2 weeks for gold.
Right.
What's going on?
Well, a couple things, Bob. The market, the stock market, equity market has taken off even that much more, so there's been a little bit less love. But that doesn't mean we can't respect what's happened with gold. GLD was up almost 20% last year. GDX was almost up twice that. So there's some definite momentum in the gold area. I wouldn't bet against it.
And what does it mean for the gold miners, Steve?
So gold miners always outperform about 2 to 3 times whatever the underlying commodity does, and that's both up and down. So if gold underperforms and trades down, the gold miners are going to go down about 2 to 3 times more. It's just an anomaly that always happens, and you got to be aware of it when you're investing around the metal.
Next topic, growth versus value. Growth ETFs have had big inflows again this year after some outflows in 2019.
Well, everyone
value
bet against that, right? Everyone bet against that, and everyone thought this was the time where value was going to start outperforming growth. But you've done a great job of covering this. The 6 names that are responsible for the rally for the last 10 years, the last year, the last 3 months. People want growth. They're not finding that in value just yet.
Okay, and let's move on. Tom, emerging markets, still strong inflows. Now, here's a trend continuing. We saw inflows last year in emerging markets. Dollar weakened a little bit, helped out. Better global situation.
Absolutely.
Is that going to continue?
Well, it will. As China trade continues to improve, that's going to help emerging markets in general. Also, you look at some of these big performing emerging market ETFs like KWEB, where it's online investing in China, that's booming.
And that's China Internet, KWEB.